Good morning, traders. It's TG Watkins here. It is Monday, November 6th when I'm recording this. And let's see, I finally got some pictures over here that I decided to post. This is from the money show that we had last week. And this was the main event. I was on the center stage up there. This is a little bit before my presentation for waiting for people to come in. And boy, this must have been a pretty good title because we got a lot of people here. And when I did my second main presentation in one of the pop-out rooms, it was standing room only in the back. So always great to see that. I think I had some pretty good valid information, and anybody else who saw me there at the money show, I hope you guys enjoyed it as well. And then you could see here, this is our booth, a couple of our coworkers, and then just kind of being out there for the day. So that was really, really fun to get out there and, you know, schmooze a little bit with the subscribers, anybody else who's out there enjoy trading. So kind of since we're up here, you know, the market had a huge move. We've been talking about this, and we could see that we've had numerous reasons for the market to be up here. It did finally spike on FOMC, but then beyond that, we had a lot of names spike on earnings. So that's kind of been the challenging thing, is that most of these names were based on earnings. You can see Palantir did this, Roku, if I can spell it, Roku jumped on earnings, and you gotta understand that even though these were really big moves, there was nothing to do about these things until earnings. You can see they were clearly in a downtrend, and then all that happened is because of earnings, they shot up. And me as a stock trader, I just don't have an advantage. I don't have an edge for something like this. So the only thing you could do, in my eyes, is basically see this happens and just jump on as quickly as possible. Now, that's a little bit too fast for what I do, so I'm just kind of sitting here waiting to find an appropriate entry on these things. Now, the fact that they've done this, okay, you know, it's a little unfortunate, but I think that this shows that we're actually in a pretty good market. I just need to wait for things to shape up. And what that means is I don't really want to go buy here, and I don't want to buy here, and I don't want to buy here, or here, or here. So what I need to do is I need to just wait for a better opportunity, some sort of pullback like this across the board. There are a couple things out there that I do see that are setting up, so that's what I've been talking to our subscribers about. And then you can see that there are other names that we're just kind of keeping an eye on. You can see, I mean, just across the board, so many of these names have popped up like this that we're just going to have to be a little bit patient, because you can even see in the past, you don't want to buy that, you want to buy that, okay? So we're just going to have to wait for these things to settle down and see if they start finding some support and catching some moves. Will that take a day? Will that take a week or 2 weeks? We're not sure, but we know what we're looking for, and we just have to wait for everything to unfold. So thanks again to everybody we saw over at Orlando. And for those of you who are new to the room, thanks, welcome, say hi, and we'll help you out. All right, guys, take care, and we'll see you at the next one.
Hey, TG here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like or comment below. Also, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my market analysis. Or you can join my free newsletter with the link in the description. Good trading, and I'll see you at the next video.